Hi there, Monica Carr, your Orange County real estate expert, and today I want to introduce you to someone who's super important to our team and all of our clients who are getting loans in this real estate world, Ryan Purpero.
Yeah, thanks so much for having me today. Ryan Purpero, U.S. Bank Home Mortgage. Been serving Irvine and the surrounding areas for a little bit over 19 years, and really excited to be here to talk with you this afternoon.
So Ryan, tell me, what's the benefit of working with a local lender like yourself?
Well, I think there's several reasons I can give you, but I think that, serving Orange County for 19 plus years and, more specifically Irvine and Tustin, hyper-focused on Irvine and Tustin, I also have a personal relationship with a lot of the local listing agents, and having that relationship can make or break deals. You know, if we need a little bit of an extension, if there is a challenge, having that open line of communication with someone who we've worked with before and performed with, that helps often quite a bit. But I think that, there's a lot of great internet lenders out there, but, you call into an 800 number and you get a guy or gal working in a cubicle from 9 to 5, and I think we both know that real estate doesn't stop after 5 p.m., so you got to be able to get in touch with somebody. And unfortunately, I don't have too many hobbies, so mortgages are my hobby and my passion. So you got to be able to have that line of communication and not just disappear after 5 p.m. And I think that goes a long way.
It sure does. I know a lot of our clients are super impressed that, I've had them, give them your number when I meet them at an open house on Saturday, and you have them approved by that afternoon. Or even on a Sunday. Like, we all work weekends and evenings, and you're always available just like I am. I think what I love and what I always feel so confident about with you is that buyers are able to get their contingencies lifted quickly, because the minute we open escrow, it seems like you get an appraiser out there within 24 hours, which I always marvel at. And then just even being able to get a loan closed in 14 days you've done for us sometimes?
We've been in the teens more recently. If you give me 30, I'm happy. But it's the strength of the team. When you work with me, it's not you're not just hiring me to work on your behalf. I have a really strong team that I've been working with, some for as long as 8 years. But I have 3 assistants that work just on my files. So if I'm here talking like we are now, our clients are not being neglected, because we have systems in place, team members that are all aligned to make sure that we have timely approvals, appraisals, in early to close. I always say my job is to be early to close, and if we close on time, that's barely cutting it. So can't afford to be late these days.
Right. And especially in our market, we are often competing with cash buyers. So I think that's one of the reasons I'm always so confident when you're in charge of the loan, because we can offer a 21-day escrow. We can offer to shorten things, remove loan and appraisal contingencies sometimes, to get the property, to beat out cash buyers. And so you're always, that's what makes you so valuable to our team.
Well, we analyze, my team and I analyze the file up front as if an underwriter was reviewing it. We don't just have conversations about income. We really want to trust people, but there's certain parameters that don't allow certain types of income, or we have to average certain types of income, or some assets are unallowable. So we really need to do a deep dive in order to tell someone, hey, you're creditworthy, we're going to have a nice transaction. So we do that work up front in my team, and then we issue that pre-approval, but we actually go a step further now. So once I've issued the pre-approval letter, which is my team and I reviewing the file, we actually will submit the loan into underwriting and get an underwriter to desk the file and give an actual credit approval. So after a few days, we could actually entirely remove the loan contingency, because we've had someone on the operations side do a full underwritten approval. So that's a really powerful tool these days.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, we love working with you.
Hey,
it seems like every buyer we refer to you also loves you, and they end up, some of them are already working with other banks, and they drop their lender and work with you because your rates are unbelievable now.
Well, we appreciate the opportunity, and if we're not priced well in a particular case, which doesn't happen often, I'll tell them, like, hey, you have a great deal here, go for it. But U.S. Bank's super aggressive, and we have some really amazing products, especially for the purchase mortgages, so it's great.
All right, well, we love having you on our team.
Thank you.
Oh, I was gonna high five you.
I'll
give you a hug.
Real thing.